Alrighty, folks, what's going on? Boy, Matt over here. It's next to the Matt. Anyways, I got this freaking cool little new thing that I'm going to try out. And we're going to play some King of Fighters. Hopefully, I don't have the sound on for it though, so just bear with me. But, hope you guys enjoy. I'll keep it kind of brief and show you what I got. It is a VicTrix, something like that. A buddy of mine got it, and then went out of town, so he's let me do it. And he bought another one, and then pricing one. So he said I can buy this one off him. So, but VicTrix is what it's called. Fight stick. It's fucking dope as hell. I used it on uh, MK9 earlier, just to give it a try. But how it plays with King of Fighters 13, shall we? Like I said, I'll keep it roughly brief. So, my characters. Obviously, I'm picking Terry Bogard. So, random. You know, random, which Terry already. And random again. Terry Damien. I hit circle. Hopefully that's the back button. I don't know. Button when it's up. Gonna break shit. To not the order I wanted it to. We'll see what happens. So again, using a fight stick, so I'm gonna fuck ass, but it goes nothing. Again, I have sound off because when me and Vince do our Power Ranger thing, I keep the sound. That way I don't get damage. By the way, go watch some of them. We got a couple of new episodes out. So it is too many things. Right there. Pretty slow. First of all, let me apologize for that. Yeah, it's the first time I've played King of Fighters in a while. Go through and but you have to. Yeah, I'm not making this right, guys, so I apologize for that. Oof. Oh no. Oof. Yeah, right in the groin. Haha. Every minute of it. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Again, if you're watching this, I apologize for the slowness. Uh, Still working out computer shit, so bear with me. I think I'll have to install MK9 or just mess around with it. So, I need to figure out how to swap characters. Ready? Yeah. Good job. Good job. And three jump. Hooray! Now, dude. Come here. Come here. Oof. Cool. Yeah. KOF. Oh, right in the groin. Oh, I hit him with a That'll be the way it's called. Characters. Let's see. No one else. My dog. I missed it again. Yeah, know how to dodge roll. You don't know? I just jump and punch him in the face. I'll get the jump. You have food, cat. I want to hear shit. For those of you wondering, that was my cat. You know what I mean? Because apparently he thinks he needs food, but he has food. And it's either because it's slow or because I don't know what I'm doing. But I did not think I'd get this far in the first. So far, the Flight 6 working really well. So if you guys are interested in one, they do run a lot of money. But I just gotta find a used one. But I'm enjoying it really well. So like I said, I was enjoying my MK one pretty well too. And grab it. There it is. That's And also, for those of you guys wondering, I did watch the new Mortal Kombat movie. I thought it was pretty good. Could have been better. Could have been worse. Better than MK Annihilation, 100%. Not better than the first Mortal Kombat, in my opinion. No, I just beat her with the grounded pound. Alright. We'll take that victory. And on that note, the one and only used the big guy, so yeah, that's weird for me. So I guess we'll go into round 2. But with it being the way it's being right now, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this. We'll stop playing. I'll let you guys go ahead and enjoy it. And not the team I had. Wasn't the team I had, but hey, I'm cool with this. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. Again, go get a VicTrix fight stick. Awesome. The one I have is the PS4. It's for PC, PS4. I'd love if I can get it to even work on my Xbox. That'd be even better. Or on my Switch. Love it. But with that note, thanks for watching, guys, and smack to the mat.